So I got the LT15 here, wide, on a trailer, and I wasn't able to purchase the winch mount, and I didn't think it was that important because I had the skid steer and I have an excavator. You know, I got the skid steer here and I have an excavator, but these logs over here are really heavy. Actually, those aren't too bad. Those I can lift with the skid steer. But I got more over there, and that boy over that one there is really heavy. It's probably about 3,000 pounds or so. Anyway, so I wanted to buy the winch mount, which I did. I bought it directly from WoodMizer. So there's this bracket, and then there's the winch that attaches to it. There's a pin that goes through there, and then the crank is on the other bracket. So if you could see, that piece mounts up to here. You know, those 4 holes. For whatever reason, this is the second one I've got. WoodMizer's been great. They've sent me it out via warranty, but these holes do not match up to those holes. This piece, it fits, but let's see if I can do this without. So it's supposed to go something like that. Well, let's line this one up. Okay, so that's lined up, but you can see there's a pretty significant gap here. So got a problem. So I'm lined up on the holes over here, but it don't line up over there. So I don't know what happened. It looks like, yeah, what it looks like is this bracket was put on in reverse. Well, no, because it's not in reverse, because so there's the back side. I mean, it's cut here so to add support and strength. So anyway, I'm just gonna have to drill new holes in the new spot, because it doesn't make sense to keep wasting materials. Obviously the measurements are off. I mean, maybe somebody drilled these holes in the wrong spot. That's probably what happened. Have no idea, but regardless, I gotta fix this because I want to start milling soon. It's February 12th today, and it's gonna be 50 degrees. I'm in Westchester, New York. It's not supposed to be this warm. Sunday, however, well, so today is Friday, the 12th. It's gonna be 50 degrees today. Tomorrow is Saturday, obviously. It's gonna be 55 tomorrow. And then Sunday, it's supposed to drop down to 22 and snow. So that's gonna be fun. Anyway, I gotta get at this and just gotta start getting things done and cleaned up around here and ready for the spring and summer. So I got another problem here. Something is definitely not right. I'm not sure what happened here, but that's even, right? That's about even right there. I don't know if you can tell, but that don't line up. The holes are not in the right spot. If I have this even across the board, let's see if I can get it even, which is about there. Those holes do not line up. This bracket is installed incorrectly. So now and I don't feel comfortable with my welding abilities to cut that out and move it and do what I gotta do. So now this is gonna be on an angle. That actually it's gonna have to be there, which is stupid. That's complete ass. I'm really disappointed here. Not sure how this happened or what happened, but this ain't right. So, I don't know, I'm probably gonna have to get in touch with WoodMizer on this. All right, so I think the camera turned off on me, or I screwed up, but you can tell right there, I'm not sure how this is going to affect the winch. I haven't tested that out yet, but this right here is not okay. I'm almost 100% that that's not the way the engineers designed this thing to be mounted, so. When I called WoodMizer about the first bracket they sent me that was incorrect, I didn't think to go to the extent of analyzing this, because the guy I talked to on the phone, who was really nice, you know, they're all really nice about everything, but the guy was like, yeah, we're having some production issues, and you know, unfortunately it's a common problem we're seeing in manufacturing right now, and because of COVID or whatever. I mean, you know, the whole COVID thing, everyone's using it as an excuse to compensate or accept stupidity from people, you know, like everybody's using COVID as an excuse. Oh, COVID this, COVID that, you know. Why does COVID make people dumb? I'm not sure that that's one of the side effects of COVID, or one of the symptoms of COVID. I don't think it is, but hey, maybe I don't know, you know, maybe there's something that Fauci knows, but anyway, that's the way it's supposed to, well, that's where it goes, that's not the way it's supposed to look. Yeah, so hang tough for a second. So that's the winch. There's no perspective there. This thing is pretty heavy, so this is the mount, the leg, stabilizer leg. That guy is about 18 inches from end to end, so you can kind of get an idea of how big this thing is. Not too many people talk about the winch on YouTube, so that's why I'm making this video. Is can't really find too much information about it. I don't know his name, but the guy Four Line Ridge, he's, I think, the only one that really had a in-depth video regarding the winch and landing the logs onto the mill with the winch. He also, it's pretty heavy too. I want to say this thing's probably about 50 pounds, 40 pounds, something like that. Yeah, so that guy Full Line Ridge is really the only one that I've seen. He made his own staging platform for the logs, but he also started out with a LT10, so it came out pretty easy there. I was doing something wrong there. That's called user error. All right. I should probably go get my tools. By the way, that's a Leatherman. Real nice tool. Made in America. This thing, it's I don't know, it says Free K2. I'm not sure what that is. I don't know what model this is, but this thing is really nice. I had to oil it up, but the way this is, it's supposed to slide all the way down and push against this guy. I wonder if these, can you see those cutouts there? I wonder if those cutouts are supposed to go in there. No, it's not supposed to. Those don't matter because there's one on this side too. But yeah, this is not right. So I don't know if you can tell, but this part here, this gap, I don't like the way that looks, because this thing, I'm trying to get it lower, and because it's on an angle, it just won't go lower. I mean, I'm gonna try it out, see what happens, but this just doesn't seem right. It shouldn't be this difficult, I guess that's what I'm getting at. I shouldn't have to, yeah, it's definitely because of this angle right here. Like, I can fit my hand in there, I can't get nothing in there. So, anyway, I gotta stop complaining. I don't know why these things always have to happen to me. Okay, so if you're gonna freewheel it, take that off. You don't whack anybody. I guess you lock this. Oh, that's something else is messed up in here. I don't know if it's gonna focus that tight. But there are C-clips in there, and one of the C-clips is bent, so that prevents whatever this is. Oh, I guess this is the brake. Oh, it's 2-speed. It's 2-speed. Duh. Dumbass. Yeah, and that's the brake. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna have to, I have a 4,000-pound winch that I could probably mount to pull this piece off. And, yeah. So, while I was, doing the winch and getting frustrated with that, I figured while I'm out here, I'll mount this. So I bought this extra because I knew I would probably be milling smaller slabs that won't fit between. So I have one mount here, right, or one, I don't know what you call that, but this thing is to secure the log to the deck against the stops on the other side. And then I have another one, that's probably the tool bag over there, my headphones are at, right there. So I want to put one right along here. So yeah, that's the next thing to add on to this. I'm used to having the mill turned around. So that's the front of the mill. So you mill this way. Log stops are here. So previously I had the log stops on the other side. I've reversed it around and I'm still, in my head, I was used to having it the other way. So anyway, this is installed. It's about 3 feet away from there, away from the other one. But obviously that can fold this way. This is as far as it goes on this side. So anyway, that part is done. One less thing floating around in my shed. Man, this place is a mess. But yeah, it's a mess. This old girl does the job.